Hi everyone, welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you've ever wondered, can I really earn money online using AI? The answer is yes, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we dive into ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Canva, SurferSEO, and other automation tools and learn how to turn them into real income through content creation and digital marketing. Let's get started. KeyCap One offer AI-powered content writing services. You can use tools like ChatGPT for ideas and drafts, Jasper AI for long-form writing, Grammarly to refine your content, SurferSEO to optimize for Google rankings. With these tools, you can easily create blog posts, website content, product descriptions, ebooks and guides. Businesses pay for high-quality content, and AI helps you deliver it faster and better. KeyCap 2 design digital products and AMP. Social media content tools like Canva and ChatGPT together can create social media posts, Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, ready-made templates, digital planners and ebooks. You can sell these on Etsy, Fiverr, your own website. Digital products equals zero inventory plus unlimited earning potential. KeyCap 3 build marketing automations for clients. Many small businesses need automation but don't know how to set it up. You can offer services like email automation, WhatsApp auto replies, chatbot setup, social media scheduling, lead generation funnels using tools like Zapier, Notion, AI, ChatGPT workflows. Simple funnel builders. You help clients save time and earn consistent monthly income through retainer packages. KeyCap 4 AI short form video creation. Use tools like Pictory, Canva, Video CapCut. With AI templates you can make YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok videos. Brands pay for this because short videos drive massive engagement. KeyCap 5 start your own AI focused agency or freelance brand. Offer bundled services, content plus SEO, web design plus automation, marketing plus social media. AI reduces your workload so you can handle more clients without stress. So yes, AI can absolutely help you earn online, whether you are a beginner or already running a business. Start simple, choose one skill, use AI to speed up your work, and turn your knowledge into income. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying AI success, so I know you're ready to start your journey. See you in the next one.